Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw and color Peppa Pig dressed like an astronaut. First, let's draw the shape of Peppa Pig's face. Then, her eyes and nose. Next, her ears. Look, Peppa Pig have opened her eyes. I'm drawing her cheek and her mouth. Let's draw the shape of her body. Her dress has a science symbol on it. Next, her arms and hands. Let's draw her tail. Then, her legs and shoes. Lastly, her astronaut helmet. Peppa Pig is excited to fly to the moon. Peppa Pig is happy to see you today. And now, let's add color to Peppa Pig together. Her cheek is pink. Her face is light shade of pink. Peppa Pig is ready to blast off into space in her astronaut outfit. With a shiny helmet, a spacesuit covered in stars, and a jetpack on her back, she's all set for an intergalactic adventure. Her lip is dark pink, a colored black for her inner mouth. Her dress is light shade of blue. Her arms, hands, tail and legs are light shade of pink. Light blue for her shoes and antenna. Peppa Pig is wearing a clear glass astronaut helmet. The next time you see Peppa Pig dressed like an astronaut, join her on a journey to the stars and beyond. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.